forces out. Wanderers Miss, fast to begin. Moving up Ariasa now is Pure Diva. Down the inside is Life is Delicious. Next on line, Negligee. Down the inside is a Run of Mine. In the middle, TV Tyler 2, Graceful second last. And Astra Pinay is running in last. As they swing down the bank, 2 entries now fighting it out for the lead. Wonders Miss now moves up by about 3/4 of a length. Life is Delicious drives back in second, and in third Pure Diva, then followed by Negligee. Next on line, TV Tire 2, Graceful also coming into the race, then followed by Run of Mine, and Astra Pinay still running in last. At a far turn, that's still Wonders Miss by about 2 lengths, and in second remains Pure Diva. Moving up down the inside, Life is Delicious. Graceful also coming in as they come to the last 200, and it's still Wonders Miss by about 4 lengths. Graceful now moving up to take second as they come to the 100, and it's still Wonders Miss by about 5 lengths, and finally Wonders Miss second, Graceful, TV Tyler 2, Negligee, Life is Delicious.
At yun na nga po ang panalo ng ating kalahok numero 4, Wonders Miss, sa ating race number 1. Gumawa ng